How do I quick initialize my PS4 and delete games?
In this video, we'll walk you through the process of quick initializing your PlayStation 4, PS4, and deleting games. This will help you free up space on your console and ensure that it's running at peak performance.
What is quick initialize?
Quick Initialize is a feature on the PS4 that allows you to delete user data, games, and applications in a faster manner than a full initialization. This process is perfect for when you need to clear space on your console or prepare it for selling, without doing a complete wipe of the system.
How to quick initialize your PS4?
To quick initialize your PS4, follow these simple steps. 1. Turn on your PS4 and log in to the user account you want to delete. 2. Navigate to the Settings menu, located on the top row of the home screen. 3. Scroll down and select Initialization. 4. Choose Quick Initialize and confirm your selection. Note: keep in mind that quick initializing your PS4 will delete all user data, games, and applications for the selected user account. Make sure to back up any important data before proceeding.
How to delete games on PS4?
If you only want to delete specific games, follow these steps. 1. On the PS4 home screen, highlight the game you want to delete. 2. Press the Options button on your controller. 3. From the menu that appears, select Delete. 4. Confirm your selection to delete the game. Important: deleting a game will also remove its saved data, so make sure to back up your save files to the PS Plus cloud storage or an external USB drive if necessary. Now you know how to quick initialize your PS4 and delete games. Remember to always back up your important data before performing these actions, as the process is irreversible. Happy gaming!